require?
Yes.
Where do we need to pass this one?
Well, you have to go to the T604 and you move to F204 and you will see Mr. Jones right there. There.
What's next, sir? After...
I'm just bring a 2x2 picture copy and a student's copy or the license and the visa signed by the immigration officer.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Please see the papers.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Did you get this? Let's listen to this. Come on, let's listen to what you're doing.
May I help you?
Oh, do you know where can we pass this?
I think this will help you. Just bring this.
Oh, really? Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you remember the guy? Yeah, it's so nice.
And he even gave this one to us.
Yeah, except that guy, Filipinos are so nice.
Yeah, you're right. Except that old one.
Yeah. Oh my God, we have a class.
What is it?
It's 4:30. We're late.
It's right! Oh my God, really? Wait.
We have so many things to pass.
You're right. Oh, but we're late.
Okay, class. Pass your paper.
Sir, wait lang. Hindi po tapos eh.
Now, put your paper here.
Sir! Sir, ang hirap naman po na itong test na to, sir. Paano po ba to?
Nag-aral ka ba, iho?
Oo naman, sir. Nag-aral nga po ako eh.
Eh, sir, paano po ba talaga yun?
Oo nga, sir. Paano po ba yun?
Oh my God, we're waiting!
Opo, sir. Sir. Aral na po kami, sir.
Mabuti naman.
Sige po, sir. Sige po kami. Sige po. Sige po ulit.
Sige.
Sir, excuse me. Sorry for being late.
What did they do, sir? What's those papers?
We just had a diagnostic test about advanced math.
Sir, how about us? May we take the exam for special,
Okay, tomorrow we will take the exam at MPS department 9 to 11 a.m. Understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Can you still remember this topic about the East?
No, it's way last term.
Right. Let's try to review about it.
Did you get it?
No, I can't. I can't remember it.
I think we should do for excuse me?
Yes.
Sir, excuse me. What about the solution of non-homogeneous?
Solutions of non-homogeneous. You can get it in two ways. One is by Bernoulli's, second is by inspection, or others is method by sections. Okay, by inspection, we inspected the values, then we can now get the pairing.
Thank you, sir.
Let's go. Oh my God.
It's easy.
I told you.
No, you didn't tell me.
I told you.
No,
It's
you
just
never
like that. You
told
just
me
have
that.
to get the values and that's it.
No, you know all this, but it's not like...
Whatever.
Excuse me. Did you get it?
Oh, yeah, that's easy.
Can you please teach us?
Yeah, sure, why not? That's easy.
Come on, let's go.
Guys, dito tayo. Papunta tayo sa amin.
Oh, yes!
Siyempre.
Problem number 10, the most probable value. If your values of 100 degrees 35 this formula. Can you still remember that?
Yeah.
Square of 75 na.
Ang galing mo yan, ano?
Wait.
Do you know why I came here?
We're Roman Catholic.
You want to come with us?
Where?
Chapel.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go and see.
Yeah, I want to go.
Ay, mamaya.
Mahiwaga ang buhay. Diyos ang pag-asa ng mundo. Pag-ibig sa ating kapwa-tao at laging magmahalan tayo. Yan ang lunas at ligaya at pag-asa ng bawat
See you. Bye.
Bye! Thank you!
Bye. Yeah.
It's a very tiring day. But at least we had fun.
Yeah, remember those guys? They were nice.
Yeah, Filipinos are so hospitable
Polite.
and hardworking.
Right?
This country is interesting.
You know, how about we ask our parents? I want to stay here.
That's a good idea.
Right?